Wow. Power poles snapped. Big ass tree was laying across the road. I guess it was completely blocking the road. Earlier, a couple hours ago, I went to the gas station to get a pack of cigarettes. I didn't even notice this big ass tree laying there. Wow. Slanted a little. Let me show you how crazy this is. Give you an up close look. I didn't get to film the storm because I was at work at the time. See this? Power pole snapped. It's a little bright. Oh. Get on the other side to get a better look. Oh yeah. Wow. On the other side of town, it's good and everything. Hardly any damage there. But apparently this side of town got messed up. Wow.